Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11i and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find digital balance. Okay, let's tap on start, tap on OK, and as you can see here we've got the usage stats, so we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So as you can see, I've been using it for 29 minutes right now. Most of the time I've spent on the settings because 13 minutes, etc. Here you've got also the screen time management, which is quite cool because you can set your daily screen time or app limits, etc., which is really cool. I'm wondering, as you can see after tapping on it, after tapping on the graph, you can enter more details. So here we've got the information in which hours we've spent most of the time on the device, and again here we've got the apps listed, we've got also the unlocks, etc. We can also check the last 7 days if we want to. I'm wondering whether we can tap on the settings. However, whenever we will tap here, your device will show you the exact graph of the full screen. Alright, so that will be all. This is how to check the total screen time of your device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.